Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today we are going to talk about how to reset Bluetooth setting in Vivo phone. Guys, you connect your Bluetooth with any device, guys, like earphone, headphone, earbuds, and guys, it doesn't connect, and guys, it's fail. So guys, you can solve your Bluetooth setting. In this video, I will show you how to reset Bluetooth setting and guys how to solve it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you need my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So right now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting, then guys click on system setting, then guys click on reset option, and guys first reset guys Bluetooth reset, and guys you can see this Bluetooth. So I want to reset guys, reset, then I again tap. So guys please wait. So guys this Bluetooth problem will solve in your Vivo phone. Guys, if you do it and guys it will not work, so why you will have to tell me on comment your phone model number, then guys I will try to help you. So okay friends, bye bye, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Bye.